Good morning everyone. Today I'll be talking about the astigmatic funnel or the astigmatic neutral zone incisional funnel. Now the concept of this was given by Paul Koch. What we know that the corneal astigmatism produced by any incision is directly proportional to the cube of length of the incision given on the cornea and inversely proportional to the distance of incision from the limbus. Okay, now see, if this is the cornea, so this is the length of the incision whatever is given, and this is the L and this is the D, right? So this L is the length of the incision and this D is the distance of incision from the limbus, and the corneal astigmatism is directly proportional to the cube of the length of the incision and inversely proportional to the distance of the incision from the limbus. Now what is this astigmatic funnel or the astigmatic neutral zone or the incisional funnel? This is an imaginary pair of curved lines which represent the relationship between the astigmatism and the incision length. See, these are the lines. They start from the limbus. Initially they are closer and then these lines diverge as they move away from the limbus, and this area, this is the incisional funnel area, right? These lines diverge as they move away from the limbus. And what we know, the only thing that we know is that the incision which is made within the funnel is astigmatically neutral, right? So like how far these lines are, or how should we know that what should be the adequate length of the incision and what should be the adequate depth of the incision that will be astigmatically neutral. For this, it is that the optimal length for the incision should be 2 to 3 mm from the limbus. See, right? So if this is the cornea, the incision should be 2 to 3 mm from the limbus and should be 6 to 8 mm in length, something like this. See, so this distance should be 2 to 3 mm and this length should be 6 to 8 mm in length. As we all know, this is the through my previous videos, as this is the length of the incision and this is the width of the incision, like width of the tunnel, or could be you can call it that the distance between the external opening and the internal opening is the width of the tunnel, right? Okay.